videos. And now I'm back. Guys, I'm making scones. Inside the hood. And comment to make some yummy scones. Guys, now we're gonna make it appear. Just watch. You see it appear? I did magic. See it appear? Let's get biting. Now we're gonna put this in a mixing bowl. We're gonna make the mixing bowl appear. See, I told you so. It's better to wash your hands before you cook. Get rid of all the germs. Now I'm gonna cut the egg into a glass. Milk and oil in the glass. Now it's time to put in the oil. All together. Now we're gonna put the wet stuff in the dry stuff. We're gonna mix all of it together. This is how it must look. Now we're gonna put a little bit of flour on the table. Now I made it flat and I have to make circles in it. Now we got all the circles now. I have to put an egg wash on it. Now put on all of the egg wash on the two scones. Now it's in the oven. Now they have to bake for 15 minutes. All the scones are done made. Now the scones is ready. Sauce. And I'm gonna put on cheese. Those are my favorite that I made. Thanks for watching, players. For watching, friends. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Now this has to go in the oven.